Welcome to Totally Integrated Instrumentation. We're back in the Worcester demo room for Siemens, and we're having a look at the new improved Electro-Pneumatic valve positioner from Siemens, which is called the SIPART PS2. Still being branded with that name, but really the big change on this device, it's got a new motherboard and new connectivity down to the valve block that includes pressure transmitters, and those pressure transmitters on this single acting valve are monitoring your pressure coming in and then the pressure actually going out to the valve. So this valve here is a Burkitt diaphragm valve with a remote feedback pot on, and these are used quite a lot within the food and bev industry. The new pressure transmitters give us access to quite a few new KPIs, but really the nice feature on this is the extra setup it does during the initialization. So the valve learn, where it does what we class as a run 6, and it learns the valve characteristics, and it does that by monitoring the set points and the pressure on the output side of the positioner, and that is stored within the positioner, and you can reference that and redo that test at later dates. And the KPI dashboards really now give us more history, because we can now start looking at what we refer to the breakout pressure. So this is the pressure that you need before you start moving the valve in the upwards or the downwards position, or open and closed. And if that starts to drift over time, that could be a sign that something's beginning to mechanically stick. And because we now have the pressure transmitters in there, we have new improved leakage features. So you can see here on this setup, I have my HARP modem connected to a standalone version of SIMATIC PDM, and we'll run through the new features on PDM for this valve positioner. And then I'm also going to link it, you can't see here at the back behind me, but we've got some ET200SP analog output I/O with HART. We're going to connect that to PCS7 and SIMATIC maintenance station and send that information up to the cloud, so we can connect that to one of our apps, which is called Citrans SAM IQ. So please stay tuned. There's going to be a lot to see on this new valve positioner. It's a big improvement. I used to work on tech support, and the SIPART PS2 was a cracking device, really easy to set up, good control, good feedback, good diagnostics that are very rarely used, and now that has all been enhanced with the addition of a new, more powerful motherboard and the addition of these pressure transmitters. So thanks for listening. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. Hope to see you soon.